Welcome back, and it's time now for news overseas. The U.S. Defense Secretary says firepower over Iran is about to surge dramatically as the U.S. ramps up its attacks on Iran. The update comes after U.S. President Donald Trump told a White House event the U.S. is striking Iranian drone and missile systems every single hour, as Israel's military chief says the country is moving to the next phase of the war. And as U.S.-Israeli strikes on Iran continue, on the sixth day of the war, Iranians tell the media life is tiring and they feel trapped. Meanwhile, the UAE Interior Ministry says it's issued an emergency alert urging residents to seek shelter. Now, earlier, the country intercepted 6 Iranian missiles and 131 drones. Azerbaijan says it's preparing retaliatory measures after accusing Iran of carrying out 2 drone strikes. Iran denied any involvement. There are also huge queues of traffic in southern Lebanon, where Israel has told residents to evacuate.
Well, the primetime news package continues with sports right after the break, and I think Jermaine will have a related story.
No comment.